Hello, and today we will be talking about habitats and animals. So, the first habitat we will be talking about is the savanna. So, the savanna is a grassland or a type of habitat that has trees and shrubs with tall grasses. The savanna has a rainy and dry season, and the rainy season happens during the summer and can get about 38 to 63.5 centimeters of rain. And during the dry season, which is during the winter time, it can only get a couple of centimeters of rain. Also in the savanna, you will see large herds of animals, and they are often grazing type of animals that thrive on the abundance of grass and trees. Also, the savanna stays warm all year all year long except during the dry season. Then we will be talking about the different types of animals that you could see during the savanna. So first we have our cobras, monkeys, lions, elephants, zebras, rhinos, ostriches, hyenas, warthogs, giraffes, hippos, and cheetahs. So the first animal we have is the cobra. Cobra. Then we have the monkey. The monkey. Monkey. Then we have lion. Lion. Then we have the elephant. 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 Then we have the zebra. 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 Then the rhino. 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 The ostrich. 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 Then we have the hyena. 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 Then we have the warthog. 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 Then we have the giraffe. 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 Then we have hippos. 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 Then we have the cheetah. 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 All right. Next, we will be talking about the marine habitat, also known as the ocean habitat. So the marine habitat is the largest habitat in the world, as it can cover more than 70% of the earth. As you know, the ocean is salt water, and within the ocean there are many micro habitats or small or tiny habitats that are within the marine habitat. And these microhabitats depend on the location, depth of the ocean, and temperature. And a couple examples of microhabitats would be the coral reefs and the kelp forests. There are 5 oceans. There are the Atlantic, Pacific, Indian, Arctic, and the Southern Ocean. And a fun fact that I find interesting is that scientists are still finding new types of animals every day. And in fact, we have only explored 5% of the ocean. Only 5%. That means that there's 95% of creatures we have not discovered in our oceans yet. Next, we will be talking about the marine animals. So first we have seagulls, pelicans, crabs, sea lions, fishes, iguanas, sharks, jellyfishes, octopuses, and stingrays. So we have seagulls, 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 a pelican, pelican, pelican. Next we have crabs, crab, crab. Then we have sea lions, sea lion, sea lions. Next we have fishes, fishes, fishes. Then we have iguanas, iguanas, iguanas. Then we have sharks, sharks, sharks. Then we have jellyfishes, jellyfishes, jellyfishes. Then we have octopus, octopus, octopus. Then we have stingray, stingray, stingray. All right. Then the final habitat that we will be talking about are the mountains. So, as you know, the mountains have different heights or elevation. And while you're climbing up a mountain, the temperature drops by 1 Celsius every 92 meters. Also, there is less oxygen the higher up you go on the mountain, as we are approaching space. So, we can expect that near the bottom of the mountain is where we can see forests and animals and a lot of green plants, such as in this picture right here. However, the nearer we get to the top, due to less oxygen and lower temperatures, there are less forests and animals, as you can see right here. And some examples of less life being up on the mountains would be Mount Everest or the Alps in Europe. And then we will be talking about the mountain animals that we could find. So we could find deers, bears, elks, birds, llamas, falcons, horses, goats, squirrels, and owls. So we have deer, deer, deer. Then we have bear, bear. Bear, bear. Then we have an elk, elk, elk. Then we have birds, birds, birds. Then we have llamas, llamas, llamas. Then we have falcons, falcon, falcon. Then we have horse, horse, horse. Then we have goat, goat, goat. Then we have the squirrel, 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 squirrel. And finally, we have the owl. 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 Alright, I hope that you have learned more about the habitats and the animals that live in each of the habitats. And I hope that you stay safe during these times. Alright, goodbye.